Good morning. Welcome. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Reggie Kuipers. I'm with Bender Commercial Real Estate. Today I'm going to be giving you the mid-year retail market report for Sioux Falls. In short, retail is robust. Construction numbers are up. We're at about $31.5 million through the first half of the year as compared to $11.5 million the year prior. So far, the main theme of the year has been, if you tear it down, they will come. And what I mean by that is some infill development sites along 41st Street and Minnesota Avenue. K&H Car Wash, the old Valentino site, the Other Place Bar and Grill or Coyote Canyon, and also the Burger King on Minnesota. K&H Car Wash will be the home of Aspen Dental and Caribou Coffee. The old Valentino site will be the home of a Verizon corporate store. The Other Place property was bought by the adjacent landowner to be for future expansion needs, and the Burger King was torn down on 31st in Minnesota and will be the home of Caribou and Einstein and another fast casual restaurant that's lease pending with one vacancy in there. These national tenants, the nationals are driving this movement, and they're paying really high rent all the way up into the mid-30s per square foot. Another interesting trend has been the banks that have entered our market in the last 6 to 12 months. First Interstate Bank has a location at 57th and Western. Bank Midwest bought the property, the old Howell McDowell office building at 11th in Minnesota. American State Bank is going into the Carpenter building. Rely Bank has made an announcement that they'll be having a presence in Sioux Falls. And then the others that have been active in the market are Home Federal Bank. First Savings moved into their new bank at 69th and Western. And I would expect First Dakota National Bank to break ground really soon at 69th and Western as well. Everybody always wants to know about the new retail developments or the major retail developments in town. And really those are three: Lake Lorraine, Dolly Farm, and 85th in Minnesota. I feel like we've been talking about 85th in Minnesota for several years, and finally now we've got some momentum there with Walmart deal finally in the ground. As far as Lake Lorraine, they've got a senior housing project that they've announced. They've got an RFP out for an apartment building. Carsforsale.com did close on their land. They paid nearly $3.5 million for about a 9-acre site, which was a really big number. And they're talking about a new strip mall out there. And as of last week, they had about 60,000 square feet of retail space committed to, and they're working through co-tenancies and corporate approvals and some of those processes. So don't be surprised to see some other major announcements out of Lake Lorraine. Dolly Farm, we've got a new retail development going in out there, a new retail strip mall, 15,000 square feet, with only a couple of vacancies left, and those are really strong rents as well, all the way up into the low 20s. And at 85th in Minnesota, obviously we've got Walmart, and then the Subaru development on the north side. There's about 15 acres there that were purchased by the Subaru dealer. Some active retailers, Fairway bought their second location at 41st and Sycamore, and they're in the ground right now. Caribou and Einstein going to have a major presence in our market over the next 6 months by the end of the year with, I think, 4 new locations. And Great Life has been very active in the community, filling several vacant spaces, and also the new project at 69th and Southeastern. Some closings that have occurred that we often don't talk about too much: Great Harvest, Pizza Inn, Big Lots, Radio Shack, Lick the Spoon, and Valentino's and Burger King. Some predictions for the remainder of the year. At the beginning of the year in our market outlook, we talked about retail construction going back up over 40 million. We're already at 31, and I wouldn't be surprised if we push past 40 and get all the way to the mid-40s for retail construction. And also downtown retail is gaining a lot of momentum with the announcements of the Duluth Trading Company, Mackenzie River Pizza, and several others. All in all, the retail sector super healthy in Sioux Falls. I would look for us to stay into this expansion mode for at least another 12 months. If you'd like a copy of our mid-year market report, we'd be happy to provide one. You can reach out to us at 605-336-7600, or you can reach me at reggie@benderco.com, and our website is www.benderco.com for more information. Thank you and have a great day.